Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my first blog. My name is Mark, and I'm the founder of Virtual Assistant Network for Strack Tech. We're actually a virtual assistant service providing company based here in Davao City, Philippines. We cater to real estate investors and agents as well, and other business owners in the United States. Now, recently I got invited to join Webtalk. It's a pretty neat, cool platform that caters to small businesses, to medium size, and even large scale businesses as well. Now, I was invited by my man Dan. Dan Zitovsky, a very good guy. He's actually one of my contacts from email marketing, and he decided to invite me into WebTalk. I haven't really heard about this platform, and all of a sudden I saw an email, and I decided to take a look at it. At first glance, it kind of looked dull and boring. I thought, it's just another one of those social media platform, And I already have Facebook, and I also have LinkedIn, so I thought that maybe it's something that I don't need. But what I found out was that it's actually pretty neat. You actually can do syndication, marketing, and a lot of other neat stuff. So, WebTalk is actually like a union child between Facebook and LinkedIn, whereas Facebook is geared and developed towards enhancing social relationship in distances, and LinkedIn is actually geared to develop businesses in distances. Here comes WebTalk. So it's actually great. You can actually select your audiences to your post, wherein this post is going to be social and this post is going to be business. So it has that kind of selection for you, your freedom to choose your own audience. Facebook and LinkedIn does not offer this kind of freedom in your post. And the best part about WebTalk is that it's actually free, and you actually get the chance to earn money every time you make posts on WebTalk. Okay, now just imagine now Facebook last year 2019 they actually earned like almost 80 billion, 70 something billion dollars on total revenue. Now they have currently, their database says they have like 2.5 billion something active users on Facebook. Now if you're going to divide half of that earning and give it equally rather to all of these users, Facebook's gonna give like 20 or something dollars to each of their users who are actively using their platform. Now, $20 might not be much, but it's actually a good help, and it's actually free. You're not doing anything. You're actually spending more time on Facebook and wasting it and not getting something in return. Unless, of course, you're doing this for business and doing financial blogging. Doing blogging to get financial activities. Now, let's go to WebTalk and I'll show you a little bit tour and a little something on what to do, what is happening, and how you can actually earn money on WebTalk.